Interested parties will give you 5 minutes each. Rejoinder by main applicants will be 7 minutes each. We ask the court assistant to observe time strictly.
Can you permit me to say something? Our past impeachment case into the impeachment cases, I mixed up with all of the things like the law, politics, security of the country, and etc. I really humble submission law. So far as possible, let people say what they want to say. It's a healing process. And coming up with 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 7 minutes, my Lord, it does damage not only to ourselves, but the entire nation. It is a nation we are concerned about, all of us. When things are down, the number of advocates take different positions, you have a matter of protocol. But when it comes to impeachment cases, we are all concerned about the safety of the state, to save the states. Let people say what they want to say. They should not be taken into. That's my view. And may I thank you most respectfully. I have come into this matter on behalf of the people of Syria. We stand for the rule of law, the supremacy, and for preservation of the state of Syria. Let people say what they want to say. Let us not come up with 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 20 minutes, and so on.
My Lord, Your Ladyship, I appreciate the matter before this court is the recusal of the judges. But please, I urge you to be a little bit more flexible on the issue of time, particularly 5 minutes. My Lord, no council enjoys making an application for recusal of judges. It's a very weak rule. So please allow us a little bit more flexibility.
Dr. Kamuna has submitted that he needs unlimited time, meaning that he can argue this case even until tomorrow. Mr. Mwite, how much time do you require for yourself?
I would say for those supporting at least 10 to 15 minutes. It's just relaxation that I'm asking for, so that the issues are wholly articulated.
My Lord, may I suggest that we stick to the time you have allocated us, and you have the discretion to allow anybody, including my learned senior, the Honorable P.K. Moite, any flexibility.
I think that's what we did last time. We allocated times, but we were flexible enough to add time whenever it became necessary. So with those submissions in mind, we'll give you the time allocations which we have given, but with the latitude to grant more should it be necessary.
I was going to request about that because we are prosecuting this application, that we just say that officially so that I don't feel pressure. I have 30 minutes. This is the kind of case, my Lord, that if you do not argue it, inevitably this case will somehow have that. I don't want anybody to accuse me I did not argue this or the other when I had an opportunity. 30 minutes will not bring levels down. It is only 15 minutes to enable me to do the job, not for myself, for my parents.
Yes, my Lord, here we go again. Here we go again, my Lord.
Let me speak. This is a court of law. I respect you very much, counsel, senior counsel, and all the counsel here. But please let us appreciate that this is a court of law. And when directions are made, please let's respect those directions. I'm making this direction. We have allocated time. Should it become necessary for one party to ask for more time, we will consider that. Thank you.
My Lord, the first application in which we have filed these documents in the file officially called petition number E015 of 2024 is an application dated 21st of October 2024. It is supported by an affidavit that has been sworn by this affidavit has been sworn by the Honorable David Muni Madenge. It is further supported by a supplementary affidavit that is 21st, a supplementary affidavit of 24th of October 2024 by the Honorable David Madenge. Now, in addition to that, we have filed a bundle of authorities which I believe that they have been furnished to the court. My Lord, looking at my watch, it is 3 p.m. I am certainly going to require some additional time, but let me start and see how best we can manage the time that has been allocated. But in a ruling that you delivered yesterday, you made a significant point that this is a matter of extreme public importance that deals with the most weighty issue that can be conducted, both with regard to the office that it relates to and to the issue of political succession. My Lord, the issue of political succession countrywide is an existential issue of the state. Existential issue of the state in the sense that this is an issue that when you read Professor Ben Nabweze, and when you read all these cases from Pakistan, they are the most weighty constitutional issues that can appear before any group of judges. And my Lord, for purposes of this country, we are saying that for the 2010 constitution, the matter before you, and that is why has informed the filing of this application, is one that is an existential issue for purposes of the 2010 constitution. Your Lordships, I say
Your
that...
Honor, sorry for interruption. You have been muted. I am unable to follow proceedings. Okay. Now it's okay.